Hey everyone, welcome to the Coyote Country Lodge, brought to you by PredatorHuntingWorld.com. On this episode, we're going over using a shotgun on a coyote stand. We actually had a request. Somebody wanted to know what our shotgun setup was when we're out shooting coyotes. So quite simply, I'm shooting an Escort semi-automatic 12-gauge shotgun. Manufacturer doesn't matter as much. Pump or semi-automatic doesn't matter as much. I just prefer semi-auto. If I have to do a quick follow-up shot, I can definitely do that a lot easier with the semi-automatic. So as far as choke tubes, what I'm shooting is an extra full. I went out to the range and I patterned this particular shotgun with the ammo I'm shooting, and it patterned the best with an extra full choke tube at 40 yards. So that is my maximum distance that I personally feel comfortable shooting a coyote. A lot of guys will shoot them way out further than that, but I don't want to injure the coyote. My goal is to shoot one shot at it and have it drop on the spot, and that be the end of it. I don't want to see an animal suffer. So 40 yards is my maximum distance, so that is the maximum distance that I pattern my shotgun. Anything under that, the grouping is really, really tight. Definitely don't have to worry about it. Now, as far as ammo goes, I'm shooting Hornady 3-inch Magnum Coyote nickel-plated BB. Number 4 buckshot is a real common one. I've used it. It works well. I just prefer nickel-plated BB. Depending on the state you're in, your local laws, sometimes you can't use that lead shot. So nickel-plated BB pretty much is going to work anywhere you're going to need to go. But shooting 40 yards, 20-inch groups, nickel-plated BB with an extra full choke tube, pretty simple setup. It works 90% of the time as long as I can shoot straight. Definitely gets the job done. So guys, this episode is brought to you by PredatorHuntingWorld.com, the official store for Coyote Country gear and apparel. If you want to follow us on social media, our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, it's Coyote Country TV for all 3 of those. Or if you just want more information about our TV show Coyote Country, which airs on the Pursuit channel, our website for that is coyotecountry.tv. Remember, it's always better being out in the field than it is sitting home on the couch.